If you know you are a caramel skin person and your caramel skin is not giving something that looks like this, or your caramel skin is looking this way, this video is actually for you. Like I would always say, any skin complexion should always target to be at the peak of its complexion than trying to bleach your skin or lighten up like 4 shades lighter than you are. The aim is for you to be at the peak of your complexion. And that is, if you know you have a fair skin complexion, you should be as bright as you should be, looking healthy, your skin looking thick. And if you know you have a caramel skin, you should be looking so smooth, so glowy like a glazed donut. And if you know you have a dark skin complexion, you should aim to be glowing, you should aim to be moisturized. Anytime they see your dark skin, it's going to be looking like a dark chocolate. That is how you should be looking like. That is what your goal should be, and not to lighten up your skin shades lighter than it should be. All right, so in today's video I made it specially for caramel skin person. So if you know you have a caramel skin and you want to get your skin complexion at its peak, then this video is for you. Sit back, get pen and paper in case you need to jot down what I have to say, and let's get into today's video. All right. Hey, my loves, welcome back to the channel where we talk about skincare, beauty, lifestyle vlogs, and things in between. In today's video, we are going to be talking about caramel skin complexion. I will be sharing with you caramel skin routine that is going to help you achieve a very rich, attractive, radiant caramel skin complexion. So without further say ado, let's get into today's video. So for this routine, we are going to be needing a pre-cleansing soap, a deep clean soap, your body scrub, your body lotion, and also your body oils. These are the 5 things that you are going to be needing. First up is your pre-cleansing soap. And for this pre-cleansing, like I would always say, you need to get a bar soap. Bar soap has this tendency of cleansing the skin really, really well than body washes. All right. So you're going to be using a bar soap for your body first cleanse. All right. And the bar soap I'm going to be recommending in this video is the Hawaii papaya soap. You can either get the Hawaii papaya or you get the Hawaii carrot. And if you know you have a tough skin, your skin is really tough and it's always hard for product to penetrate into your skin or work on your skin, you can get the Hawaii Gold. Any of these 3 soap is going to do amazing for you. That is going to be your soap, like your bar soap. And if you know you have a really, really sensitive skin, or you don't just want to use the Hawaii soap, you can opt for like Johnson baby soap, Cushion baby soap, Dove bar soap, any of these soap. But for your first cleansing, you are going to be using a bar soap. All right. So after your first cleansing, the next thing is your body wash. All right. And for your body wash, I will be recommending the Olay Vitamin C body wash, or you can as well get the Dove body wash. Any of these 2 body wash is going to moisturize your skin, it is going to hydrate your skin, and it's going to give you that soft, supple caramel looking skin. So you can either use the body wash in the morning, or you use your bar soap in the morning. But one thing you are not going to be doing is to double cleanse in the morning. You don't double cleanse in the morning, that will be too much for your skin. All right, so you only have to double cleanse at night. After using your bar soap, you then go in with your body wash. That is how you double cleanse at night. All right, so after double cleansing, after bathing in the morning or double cleansing at night, next thing you want to do is to scrub your skin. There is nothing like a vibrant, radiant looking skin without exfoliation. You need to exfoliate your skin. Your exfoliation game needs to be at its high level. Exfoliation helps your skin to remove dead skin cells and produce new skin cells that is going to give you that soft, radiant, beautiful looking color. All right, so you need to exfoliate. At the same time, it helps your product to penetrate deep into your skin. That way it gets to give you everything it has promised to deliver. All right, so get yourself a body scrub. And for this body scrub, I will be recommending the Dr. Mia Vitamin C body scrub. This body scrub is one affordable body scrub that is going to do it for you. And mind you, it's sugar scrub. All right, the next one you can be getting, if you don't like the Dr. Mia Vitamin C body scrub, you can get the T3 Hot body scrub, or you can get the Dr. Teal's Vitamin C body scrub. Any of these three body scrubs is going to do it for you. I'm not talking about body polishes right now. I'm talking about body scrubs. And if you notice, I did not recommend anything salt scrub. That is because salt scrub is harsh on the skin than sugar, okay? Sugar is a very gentle physical exfoliant, and that is why I'm recommending it. Get a sugar scrub that contains vitamin C in them. You don't need all this alpha arbutin, kojic whitening, hydroquinone contained body scrubs. All those body scrubs that is promising you 10 days whitening, 4 times whitening, and all of that. That is not what you need. What you need is to have that glowing, beautiful looking caramel complexion. And what will give you that is what I'm giving you in this routine. All right. So get any scrub, any sugar scrub that contains vitamin C. It is going to help give you that radiance to your skin. All right. So the next thing after your body scrub is your body lotion. And for your body lotion, you are going to be using the Vaseline Glitter Hair Flawless Bright Body Lotion. And if you know you have skin pigmentation or you are 26 years and above, you can use the Glitter Hair Flawless Glow Body Lotion. This Flawless Glow contains something like retinol and just ingredient that targets hyperpigmentation and anti-aging as well. So if you know you are from 26 and above, as usual, you can always use this Vaseline Glitter Hair Flawless Glow Body Lotion. And if you know you are from 25 years down, 25 years and below, you can always go for this Vaseline Glitter Hair Flawless Bright Body Lotion. And as well, if you don't want to use any of this body lotion or you really cannot afford the Vaseline body lotion, you can as well go for the Nivea Even Glow and Radiant Beauty Body Lotion. These three recommendation is what you are going to be using on your skin. It is not going to whiten your skin in any way. It is not going to lighten up your skin in any way. But trust me when I say it's going to give you that radiance you need for your caramel skin to always pop, for your caramel skin to get at its peak. This routine is going to give that to you. Next thing after your body lotions are your body oils. All right, you need body oils to lock in moisture. You need body oils to stay glowy. You need body oil to look nourished. All right, so you need body oil in your routine. Whoever that is telling you that body oils are going to lighten your skin or whiten up your skin is scamming you to take your money. Body oils in any way don't lighten up the skin or whiten up your skin. Body oils are just there to give you nutrients to your skin. Body oils are just there to lock in moisture on your skin. Body oils are just there to nourish and blend your skin complexion. That is what they do. Forget about all these wheat gold, mention them, all these body oils that is promising you whitening. They don't whiten. They are good body oils that helps to blend your skin complexion. But you see that whitening on it. Please, if you're expecting to whiten your skin with body oils, just abort the mission because it is never going to be mission accomplished. All right, so you need to get yourself a body oil that sits well with your body. All right, know your body type, know your skin type, and get the body oil that suits your skin goal. So the recommendation I will be giving you when it comes to body oil is to get this Palmer's cocoa butter body oil. This body oil has proven itself to be really effective and really nourishing on the skin. So you can get the Palmer's cocoa butter body oil, or you can as well get the Deisa vitamin C oil and mix it with Deisa jojoba body oil. Jojoba is really good for the skin, same as vitamin C. I always love to combine the Deisa vitamin C body oil and the Deisa jojoba body oil. I like to mix the two together, not like anytime I want to use it. Whenever I get it, I mix them together and then pour it back inside the can. That is how I apply it on my skin, and I've been loving it that way. All right, and for more extra hydration, especially because of the weather condition, you know, it's Hamatan period, so it's quite drying. Like the season now is quite drying, like the skin is always looking flaky, always looking ashy and all of that. So you need double locking. You need to lock in moisture as much as you can. So for me, after going in with my body oils, I always love to use baby oils as well. I will use baby oils after using my normal body oil. I will still go ahead to apply baby oils. Currently, I use the Cushion baby oil. I use Johnson baby oil, I use the Pierce baby oil, but Pierce seems to be like really, really thick that I really don't like the consistency. So I decided to try the Cushion baby oil, and it has been so lovely. It absorbs quickly into your skin, but still your skin will be moisturized and it is never going to look dry or flaky or anything like that. So this is basically everything you need for your skincare routine as a caramel skin person that wants to achieve a radiant, beautiful looking skin. All right. And if you know you have hyperpigmentation on your body, you know you are struggling with skin darkening, skin hyperpigmentation, mosquito bites, and all of that, watch this video over here. It is going to help you a lot to clear those spots you have on your body as fast as possible. All right. And if you know you are a fair skin complexion, but in one way or the other, or because of one situation or the other, you got tanned or you got darker than you usually are, watch this video over here as well. It is going to help you a lot. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please make sure to share this video to your friends and family or someone that needs to see this video. All right, please make sure to share this to them, and do not forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section, and also leave the video you want to see from me in the comment section as well. Let me know your thoughts on the products I recommend. Let me know what you think about this routine in the comment section. Let me know if you're going to be trying them out. I'm always there to interact with you. Until then, stay beautiful, stay glowy. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye.
Class C in a cunt. Block 10 money getting spun. Like